Hey, this is your boy Z with a BMW 650, and we finally about to get a muffler delete. So this is my last and final cold start. By the way, I already got resonator delete. Let's hear it. Man, I can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Got the car on the lift. I only wanted the black tip, but they only had the chrome one, so I decided to go with the chrome tip. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Woo! It's looking sexy. Oh God. Let's share it now. Let's share it. So if you live in Virginia, Richmond area, this is the spot to go to. Tony Muffler. They're really good. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.